How do I patent a name and patches for a motorcycle club, Matt?
I've done this.
Okay. Oh, you've done this yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, we talked about this already?
No, but I mean, I've trademarked, even though it's the incorrect term for it. I've trademarked a couple motorcycle clubs over the years.
Oh my gosh. Let's have it. Let's have it. Bring it on.
So I mean, yes, you can. Yes, you can. And there's a couple ways to go about it. You can either register your assuming your motorcycle club is not descriptive of the geographic location in which you guys ride and live. Yes, you can register your motorcycle club as a club, essentially, at the USPTO. The USPTO has these 45 classes of goods and services. Everything we do falls into one of those classes. There's motorcycle. Well, let me pull up the trademark ID manual, and I'll actually get you some further information. But basically, there's kind of two ways you can go about registering motorcycle clubs. One would be to register an actual like club affiliate services, application. So basically, it's a club, it's a social club, right? That you can belong to and promotes its club, right? That's one way to do it. But what I've also found too is a lot of these motorcycle clubs, no matter how rough and rowdy they are, a lot of times they have a charitable side to them too, where they might have a memorial wall that they maintain, or that they raise money like the Shriners do for kids in hospitals, or the Shriner Hospital System. So a lot of times you can also register as a charitable organization, right? Okay. Raising funds for cancer awareness or, men's health, that sort of thing. So lots of ways to register these things.
On that note, so in terms of the trademark law or the process for applying for it, does it matter whether you are a for-profit or not?
No, it does not. Does not, because a for-profit company can still have a charitable mission or a charitable service that they provide. Got it. It can be a private, for-profit, company, organization. You can be a collective of individuals, or you could be a nonprofit. It doesn't really matter for the USPTO.
Now, I've only been through the trademark stuff with your help for Bold, but and obviously we had to show evidence that we're in commerce. How does that work for those that aren't selling anything?
Yeah, so you don't need to sell anything to have a trademark registration. So I'm thinking back to the most recent motorcycle club that I worked on. They had a memorial wall, right? So basically, if you are part of the membership, right? Part of your membership fees go to maintaining this memorial wall for riders who have died, right? Yep. Whether they're part of the club or outside the club. And the way that they kind of also fund that is that, let's say, you got a brother who passed away as a motorcycle enthusiast, right? Maybe he died on a bike, and you'd like his memory kind of preserved somewhere. You might make a $100 donation to this motorcycle club. In exchange, they create a plaque with a picture, and they post it and maintain it basically in a park. Yeah, and that's kind of how they do it. Cool. But there's lots of ways you could, prove that use. So when we worked with them, we submitted both pictures from the website, so like how you could donate to your charitable giving services, and we also submitted some pictures of the wall too.
That's great.
They were both branded, obviously, with the name of their club.
Perfect. Well, thank you for that answer, Matt. It was awesome with the personal. Yep.